Hello guys, today I want to show you how to remove the background of your photos or pictures. There are two ways I want to show you today. The first way is to use a free website, and the second way is to add a green screen in Canva, for example, and later to remove in CapCut or also in the free website. Starting with the first way to remove a background is to use a free website, for example remove.bg or photoroom.com. As you can see here, the process of removing the background is very easy. Just upload your photo and remove it. After that you can just download it and be happy. The second way is about removing the green screen in CapCut. If you have a picture with a green screen and you need this object inside this green screen to use it in your video editing software, you can just upload this green screen picture in CapCut and use this function I show you here. And then you can just increase the intensity and everything, and then you are done. You can just do whatever you like with this object without the green screen. That's all from me for today. Thank you for watching.